Hi, today I'll be doing an in-depth review of two powerhouse automation tools, Zapier and Power Automate. If you're looking to streamline your workflows, these are probably on your radar. But which one deserves your time and money in 2024 and beyond? Let's find out by comparing the features, pricing, pros and cons. Let's start with Zapier, often called the OG of automation tools. Zapier connects over 5,000 apps and allows you to automate repetitive tasks. It is user-friendly with a no-code interface that's perfect for beginners. It works by creating zaps, where you can pick your trigger and define actions. For instance, saving email attachments to Google Drive automatically. Now on to Microsoft Power Automate. It's part of the Microsoft Power Platform and integrates seamlessly with the Microsoft ecosystem. Think Excel, Teams, and Dynamic 365. But don't let that fool you, it also supports third-party apps. Its automations are called flows, and the templates help you get started quickly, even if you're not a tech guru. Now let us talk about the main features of Zapier and Power Automate. Ease of use. Zapier is built for simplicity. Its drag and drop interface allows anyone to create automations in minutes. You don't need any technical knowledge, just pick up your apps, define the triggers, and let it do the work. Power Automate, on the other hand, caters to both beginners and tech-savvy users. The templates make it easy to get started, but if you want to build custom workflows, you need some familiarity with logic or scripting. App integrations. Zapier connects to over 5,000 apps, including popular tools like Slack, Trello, Shopify, and even niche platforms. If you're running a small business or using diverse apps, Zapier has you covered. Power Automate supports fewer third-party apps, but excels in native integrations with Microsoft services like Excel, SharePoint, and Teams. If you're all in on Microsoft 365, this integration is a game changer. Automation complexity. Zapier works best for straightforward automations. Think of it as an assembly line for tasks like sending email notifications or updating spreadsheets. Power Automate handles complex workflows better. You can create multi-step automations with conditions, loops, and even invoke AI Builder for predictive analytics. Plus, its RPA capabilities lets you automate tasks on your local machine, like filling out forms or extracting data from legacy systems. Collaboration and team features. Zapier's team plans allow for collaboration, but it's fairly basic. Users can share zaps and manage tasks together. Power Automate offers robust enterprise-level features like role-based access, advanced analytics, and integration with Microsoft Dataverse for centralized data management. Now let us talk about the pricing. Pricing is always a hot topic, so let's break it down. Zapier starts with a free plan, which is great for light users. Paid plans begin at $19.99 per month for a professional plan and $69 per month for the team plan. There's also an enterprise plan for which you'd have to contact them for pricing. Power Automate also has a free plan, but paid plans start at $15 per month for each user. Keep in mind, pricing can quickly climb if you need premium connectors or RPA features. There's a Power Automate process plan that costs you $150 per both per month. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of using Zapier and Power Automate. Zapier Pros. It is easy to use with a no-code interface. There's extensive app library. Power Automate Pros. Advanced features like RPA and AI Builder are present. Tight integration with Microsoft apps and affordable entry-level pricing. Now let's talk about the cons. Zapier cons. Limited for complex automations, and pricing can be high for heavy users. Power Automate cons. The steep learning curve for beginners is a problem, and limited third-party app support compared to Zapier. So here's a big question to be answered. Which tool should you choose in 2024? If you are an individual or a small team that values ease of use and broad application integrations, Zapier is the clear winner. Its no-code setup and massive app library makes it a versatile choice for businesses that don't want to dive into technical complexities. For Microsoft users and enterprises. On the other hand, if you're already using the Microsoft ecosystem, or if you need advanced capabilities like AI-driven workflows or desktop automation, Power Automate is unmatched. Its RPA features alone can justify the learning curve if you're tackling complex, repetitive tasks. But here's the thing, neither platform is inherently better. It's about what aligns with your needs. Zapier is your go-to for simplicity and variety. Power Automate shines in depth and enterprise-grade functionality. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Make, Public Connect, and Workato. And that's a wrap on today's review of Zapier and Power Automate. I hope you found this information helpful and can help you make the best choice. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.